So we'll now move on to our next speaker, who is Syed Abbas Alawi. He is a database manager at Arab Financial Services, who will be speaking about the business intelligence roadmap.
Thank you so much. Good morning, everybody. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. You have 20 minutes, Saeed, so if you could kindly keep up to the time. We have a number of speakers saying useful things.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Abbas. Okay, today I'm trying to deliver or give you some information about business intelligence and all the things it is about. Okay, it is not theoretically, because I've been in the markets more than 15 years. I'm doing hands-on projects with the business intelligence databases. Sometimes, okay, maybe there is some information, okay, maybe it will be a little bit is different what is in the papers or in the research or in the markets, okay, but I'm trying what I'm doing right now. I will deliver based on my experience, okay, the things what I did, and I see it by my hands and by my practice. So as we know, everybody, okay, if we are going to agenda, what we're going to do, okay, exactly what is the BI, what is the business intelligence? Everybody they are talking about business intelligence, about something very new in the markets, and honestly, it is not new, okay, but the wording is changing, okay, from business intelligence and make the things smart, okay. There is a difference between traditional BI, which is the people before 10 years, they are using another tools, okay. Today, there is another tools and another solutions, okay. The clouds coming in the page or in the pictures, okay. So there is a lot of things about business intelligence, artificial intelligence, data, how we are dealing with the data. Business intelligence. A lot of people, they are thinking the business intelligence is a tool. It is not a tool. It is a mix of a lot of tools in terms of application, databases, visualization, even the methodology, process. Okay, there is a lot of things. If we are talking about the history, as I remember from a lot of research I'm reading, okay, from 19 or 18s, they start talking about decision support systems. Before the CEOs or the executives, top management, what they are doing, based on some reports, they are taking decisions, okay? So there is some vendors or some companies, they come with solutions, okay? It is even the Excel, the old Excel, it was like that. Coming with something very simple, and that will present the numbers and the graphs, okay, to be very easy for the decision maker to take decisions. After a while, after some years, okay, there is another companies coming, okay, there is a new startups coming, okay, they start with moving from decision support system to data warehouse. And I remember in 19s, okay, a lot of people, they are talking about data warehouse as a new things, as something amazing that's bring a lot of things, okay. Then after some years, after 5 years, 6 years, okay, they start talking about business intelligence, about what is the limitation, what is the things is BI cannot do it, or business data warehouse cannot do it, okay. Then business intelligence can do it, whereas there is a lot of visualization, there is a lot of automations coming in the picture. Today's, okay, we start talking about big data, or the 4 V's, which is the velocities, the data that's coming from a lot of sources, from IoTs, okay? There is a lot of things now, and the most countries, and I remember I read a research in USA, currently they are looking for more than 10,000 people or experts, okay, which is they are specialized in big data, because the data coming from everywhere, coming from even the airs right now. From how we are talking, there is a data coming out, okay, from the weathers, from the TV, from the social media, everywhere there is a data. How we can bring this data to somewhere, or to tools, or to engine that can do the artificial intelligence and give us insights, informations, This is how the big data we can work with it. By the way, even there's a very interesting topic, I read it recently about the big data and business intelligence. Even they find out there is some smells coming from the skin. Okay, so the doctors, okay, they can know what is the disease that we have, okay, the disease that we have from our skins, okay, by using IoTs or the data that are coming, because every person have the signature for the skin smells, okay, so they can analyze it and can know what is going on, what is the diseases, okay, and the things is going. So we are talking about the big data, okay, about the data, how they can analyze it. I believe all of us, okay, who is working with IT, working with the business, okay, what's going on even today, okay, the business or the CEOs, the top management, the executives, they need a lot of reports. Central banks, they need a lot of reports, compliance, or even the internal departments, okay, they need some reports. What's going on? All these people, the business people, once they need data, what they are doing, they are going to IT people as they are experts in the data, to extracting the data. IT people, because they have a lot of requests, okay, to collect this information, to present it to the managements, okay, they are taking the requirement, they analyze it, okay, then they have to develop it, okay, and to test it, make sure everything is fine, the numbers, the figures, okay, all okay, then they give it to the business people or the top management. With this traditional way, okay, after a while, after some days, okay, they find out the question or the things they needed from IT people, okay, there is another thing is missing. So the business again, ask the IT again, okay, please, okay, let us add some information and other informations. So the IT again, they do the same process, which is they are collecting the information, they're changing their queries, scripts, programming, okay, to get this information again. And in the end, if we can see our people in the company or even with the regulations, okay, they are angry because we are delayed to give them the reports they needed. At the same time, it is not easy to give a report for the top management or for regulations. Let us say if there is a big companies, they are working with a lot of systems, okay? This is not only one systems they are deal with it, okay? So each business line or each, they have different systems. So we are talking about different data sources, but when the top management, they are asking about data, okay, they are not consider a one system to collect the data. In the end, they need a one report, okay, to get all these informations, okay, in order to get decisions or to open a new business or to enhance the current business lines. So the things is scatters, okay. I have to do a lot of programming language. I have to do a lot of script from different data sources. The things is inconsistent, scatters, and integrity. The accessibility is very difficult, okay, insufficient. There is a lot of limitation with this model. That's why we are coming, or the new solutions or the new companies, okay, they come. Even there is a startup companies, which is they are thinking because they identify the issues with this model. Because we are depending on IT people to give us the reports, there is a lot of systems. They come with new solutions. The new solutions or the modern solutions right now, most of the companies, they are trying to deliver, okay. All of us, we know, okay, we are using a lot of systems, a lot of databases, a lot of from different companies, okay, a lot of data services. The data is coming from social media, the data coming from our systems. It's there's API, it is linked with another applications, okay. What they are trying to do with the new solutions, without mentioning any company solutions, okay, they are trying to link all these data sources or systems, okay, to bring it in a one place, okay, where we will be able to get the information very easy, and it will be accessible, okay, very easy, and to give the reports immediately, and it will be less time to develop these informations. There is a lot of process, of course, okay, it is about how to extract it, how to link the data to each other, okay, and how to give to do the modeling, to cleanse the data. If you have a legacy systems, okay, the systems from a long days, okay, there is no validation in the data, okay. So there is a long process to prepare the data, okay. But once it will be prepared, everything it will be, and everybody will be happy in the organization and in the place where they are using this data. In the end, okay, our CEO, our top management, where we are trying to make them always happy, okay, they will be happy because they will see how is the business running, okay, how is they can invest in different business lines, okay, how to open, how to close, okay, all these things, it will be easy for them to see it. So the new solutions for business intelligence, okay, to bring all the databases, all the data in one place, and it will be self-service. As I am HR, as I am compliance, as I am CEOs, COO, everybody, okay, it is matters of just login and drag drop, and you get the informations. At the same time, with the new business intelligence, they are trying to add advanced analytics and machine learning things, okay, where you can predict based on your historical data, okay, you can predict how the business or how the numbers or how the things is going on. So we have these platforms, and it will be easy for us to manage all our data. The roadmap, how to get all the things in one place, okay. Of course, the first things we have to identify what is the database or what the data sources that you are gonna to bring this data into the place or in the central place. You have to identify what is the kind of reports the business they are running, okay, what is the needs of these reports. The third things, okay, it is not easy for us to choose, okay, the solutions in the market right now. We have a lot of solutions. There are famous companies, they are trying to give us the best solution or best features, and everyone copying from another one. Every company, they are seeing what they have these features, okay, they are copying, they are trying to clone it, okay. So it is your decision as a BI expert, okay, to get what is the solution based on your need, based how your business, to select the solution that you need. You have to, after that, okay, you have to validate or check the reports, the current reports, what is the report is missing, the dashboard, how you have to help the executives people, okay, to get these dashboards to take the decisions and validate it and test all these reports. In the end of the
Saeed, we have 2 minutes. If you could wrap up your presentation. Okay. Thank you so much.
In the end of the BI solutions, what we are trying to do, we are trying to make the executive managements happy. If we make the executive managements happy, that means, okay, the business, it will be better for us, okay, even the employees, they will be happy with it. And I'm mentioning here, there is no mercy, means there is a new line of business coming. There is no more works coming, okay, because the CEOs, they will see, okay, what is the performance of the company. Based on that, he will try to develop it and to run it in a better way. Thank you, everybody. And I want to mention something here, okay. It is something is funny, just I want to show it. This characters, I did it in 2019, once I graduated. It is something right now, today, I'm thinking about it, it is a BI something, okay, where I was attaching this picture with my CV, okay, to show the companies, okay, how it is easy for them to read what is my experience or what is my background. Okay, even this picture or this character, I consider it as a business intelligence. Where I visualize it, it will be easy for the company. Thank you, everybody. I enjoyed. If anyone have a questions, okay, I'm ready to.
Thank you for that, Sayed. And that's a very interesting CV. Thank you for sharing that with us.